Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This next tip is one of my favorites. We are going to talk about how to help kids learn how to pour. This is especially handy for older kids with delays. Now, typically, pouring is taught by verbally telling someone to stop when they reach the top of a cup, or by interfering with your hand and giving a child a hand over hand type movement to show them when to pull back. So by using something like a liquid level indicator, it instead gives an audible beep, which allows the child to start to figure out on their own more of that motor planning piece. So that way you don't need to have your hand in and be so reliant, and also the child will hear this beep rather than listening to a person saying stop or you're going too quickly with the liquid, so they can gauge more of this with independence. So you take the liquid level indicator and then you just get your cup and place it right on top. So it's going to stay right in because it has two little prongs, and those are what will be making the beeping sound. Then you just take your water and you begin to pour. And that beep signals you as to when you are 3/4 of the way up the cup. I will post this device on otkidsmass.com. Please take a look, and you'll see a direct link to it as well as the product review. It's a very inexpensive device, and it's an excellent teaching tool. Thank you.